Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a couple of tips and a couple of updates about the Pinterest profile edit. You know, things that changing on the profile and things that, you know, is not the same. So as you can see, we are on a business hub. And here you can see my profile. You can click here, you can go straight to the profile. You have the monthly views, followers, becoming a verified merchant. That's for people who have Shopify shops, e-shops. Then you have here the analytics overview. We didn't have this before. Your top pins, my top pins. And here the ads, the money we spent. And this is a couple of new things, that how many ads you're running or the impressions. And here you have all the resources that you need to help you create better profile and grow your business. And you know something, there is a lot of information that Pinterest is helping us, and you need to read, take your time, have a couple of hours, have a look through if you need anything. So this is the first change. So you have Business Hub and Home Feed. So it's simple. We didn't have this before, like all the creates now are together. So you have the home feed here. And then as you can see here on create, you have create pins. You have create ads, create idea pins, so you have all of those together. But before it was like under ads, I think. Then you have all the analytics together, the overview. When you go to overview, you have the trends, you have conversions, which is very good. So you have everything together. So it's good really because it's more organized. So you stand-up pins, product pins, idea pins, video pins. So you get all the insights, and in general, analytics you need to keep an eye on. And then you have, what else do we have here on analytics? The audience, the trends, of course, very popular. And now, on ads, if you remember, we used to have in overview, create ad is simple. On overview, for example, we used to have like all the images of the ads that we are advertising, or when you're advertising. Now it's different. So, to be honest with you, I prefer the previews, but you can see, the image, if you advertise, what you advertise. I don't like, that there is no images anymore. So that's it. And it explains here the checkouts, spending, or whatever. The money that, you make. So basically, then you have the reporting, you have the conversion. I don't use bulk editor. You can have a look through, but I personally don't use it. I do manually, all the downloads. I do everything from basic. I don't use the bulk editor. So, but you can use it. It's new thing. You download your templates, you can try. So then you have audience, then you have your billing, your catalog, if you can see also here. So those, they were different before. So you get a couple of, ideas on the Pinterest profile, because things are changing all the time. And here you have like, the right side here for messages, people sending you, or you see here 2 comments on my pins. So here we are. I don't use the bulk editor. It's basically more for people who you know, they have products. My products are digital, so if you have like physical products, you can do that. And you can also, when you create your pins, you can say it's out of stock, you pre-order. Is really, really helpful for those who have physically products. And then you can create a pin. You can also test your feed if you want. And here again, as you can see, you have help from Pinterest, and you can check my previous videos on Pinterest communities, Pinterest brand guidelines if you want. It's simple. It's a couple of things that have changed, and it's good to, you know, pay attention, because it's good that you are learning, you know, any updates that Pinterest has, ideas. It's really, it's a lot of information. It can be very overwhelming, but take your time, you know, take your time to add a couple of stuff, add a couple of positive pieces, a bit, you know, by bit, you know, you can make changes. It's the same thing like keywords, you know, we were working on a couple of things and then we change. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. Connect with me on the social media, on Twitter, and subscribe. Anything you need, just send me a message, and have a lovely day.